Hi there YouTube, and good morning and welcome back to the channel. So this morning I am at an event up here in Memphis called Hangover Fest. It is a drift event, and so I'm up here at the Memphis International Raceway with some of the guys from Oxford Car Meet, and we're going to check out the event. Should be a good time.
Faster I try to leave, like a mirage, like a mirage. The scars that you don't let me, on my arms I appear empty, like a mirage, like a mirage.
About to take me out on the drift course, so this should be fun. So that was Hangover Fest 2018 in Memphis. Considering I've never seen drifting in person before, and certainly have never had the chance to ride along in a drift car, I had a great time. A very special thanks to the drivers that let me tag along. Anyway, I hope I'm able to make it to another drift event soon. But that's all for this video. Thanks you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one.